One of the fastest and easiest ways to quickly find general corporate and M&A resources is the Lexis Advanced Corporate and M&A Practice Center. You still have a red search box at the top. However, your search is already limited to corporate and M&A law content. Below the search box, you will find specially curated content that includes secondary sources, including a broad collection of corporate titles from Matthew Bender, Law Journal Press, and Getting the Deal Through. Company and financial resources. The purpose of these resources is to unearth background intelligence on competitors in the market, track activity in the M&A deal marketplace, and more. Case law and statutes. A collection of corporate-specific case law and statutory databases, including quick access to the Delaware General Code. And on the right-hand side of the page, you will see news feeds from Law 360, the Deal Pipeline, and more. For this video, let's say we're researching the application of the business judgment rule as a defense to the liability of a corporate director. With this example in mind, let's first explore how you can utilize the table of contents in treatises. Let's go back to secondary materials. Choose Matthew Bender, choose Liability of Corporate Officers and Directors, and click the blue link for the table of contents. By choosing the table of contents, you have the ability to either search it or simply scan through the different chapters, just like you would in a book. Here, we'll click on the plus sign next to Chapter 2. And Section 2.03 looks right on point, Application of Rule to Officers. Once you take a look at this section, you can easily navigate to other sections with the previous and next links. You do not have to be on the Corporate and M&A Practice Center to quickly get to on-point results. Let's now conduct a search right from the Lexis Advanced landing page in the red search box. Again, we'll type Business Judgment Rule in quotes. At our results screen, we see all types of available content on the upper left-hand side of your screen. You can further limit your result set for each content type by using the post-search filters on the left-hand side. You will notice we have defaulted to cases here. Since the business judgment rule and related standards for director and officer liability are derived from common law, this might be a good place to start. Since we have so many results in our site list, let's limit our results to Delaware only with a post-search filter. Now our results list is more manageable. Or you could begin your research in secondary materials. With secondary materials, you can review a broad collection of analysis in the form of treatises, law reviews, jurisprudences, and more. If you are working on a litigation matter, you might also want to check out our Briefs, Pleadings, and Motions collection. With this collection, you can find sample work product that other attorneys have filed in other matters that could be applicable to your issues. Finally, you might want to take a look at legal news. Here we can find current awareness resources discussing recent cases and development on this topic from a broad range of legal industry publications. In this example, we are actually going to see how easy it is to get right back to that applicable treatise section we located earlier. From our search results, let's choose secondary materials. Then we'll scroll down to the Sources post-search filter and choose Liability of Corporate Officers and Directors. Choose the first result and we are right back to that applicable treatise section.